Hi everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at a Broan 765H80LB. This is a Broan heater fan light unit. And what I'm going to be showing today is how to change out the heater assembly and the fan assembly. First things first, make sure that the power is always disconnected when going up inside the unit. Secondly, to start the process, what you would do to get to the inside is you remove this lens. And you can do that with the aid of a regular screwdriver. And you're just going to stick that screwdriver between the grill and the lens. And just pry. And that lens cover will pop right off of there. Next, what you would do if there were a light bulb in here, you'd unscrew the light bulb. Above the light bulb, there's a little acorn nut. What you do is you remove this acorn nut. This will allow the light reflector, which is loose in here, and the grill to come down. It'll be plugged in. What you're going to do is you're just going to unplug that light reflector. Here's my acorn nut. Here we have the exhaust fan assembly, and this is the heater assembly. How you would go about removing this heater assembly, there's two screws. There's a screw here and a screw here. What you would use is a Phillips screwdriver. There's a hole outside of this housing here. You just stick your screwdriver through. And what you're going to do is you're just going to loosen these up a little bit. You would then take a regular screwdriver. Inside here, and I don't know if you can see in the camera, there's a little tab. So what you're going to do is take your screwdriver between the housing and the heater assembly and just pry on it a little bit. That heater assembly will pop right out of there. What you can do is unplug the heater. And here you have the complete heater assembly right in your hands. And what you can do is you can throw it in the garbage, and then you can repeat the process by installing a new one. And then you would tighten the screws. As far as the fan assembly goes, to remove that, you actually unplug it from the receptacle. There's one screw here. You would loosen that screw up. And you would pull down on this and pull it out if we're up in the ceiling. And that's it. And to put the new one in, there's two tabs on this plate. Those tabs will lock right back into that housing, and it'll snap right back into place. Like so. And you would just put the screw back in. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.